Hello, Mattia Castiglioni, Creative Director Southern Europe, Landor. I connect Milan to Barcelona to Greece in order to expand our offering and our overall processes on branding and strategy. Which are the biggest challenges that today brands need to face in the market? I'd say that probably brands today need to act like fluid entities. So brands today need to act in an empathic way, creating trustful connections and relations between what they provide, their products, their existence to the people and to the one that will interact with them. So how we will handle the modules as a Landor team here in Raffles. Basically, we will try to challenge everything that you will understand from the rest of the lessons and the professionals, but in a very positive way. Creating some moments on where we can translate in a very concrete way, which is the best way possible to achieve your highest goal. It means that we will deliver some Jedi tricks. It means that we will try to understand which is the best way possible to interpret a design brief, which is the right way to challenge in a practical way also the clients. So basically we will try to prepare you in all the modules to understand what is happening outside at the highest levels possible, both in design and of course on consultancies and on strategy too.